Imagine a world where your entire home is powered by air, where you can charge your phone in just 30 seconds, and highways generate electricity as you drive. These aren't just dreams, they're groundbreaking renewable energy technologies that are reshaping our future. Let's explore 7 incredible innovations that are changing the game. First up, solar paint. Yes, you heard that right. Paint that produces power. This revolutionary material contains light-absorbing nanoparticles that convert sunlight into usable energy. Just think about it. You could paint your walls, and they would generate electricity. Buildings could transform into massive power stations, allowing cities to produce clean energy just by existing. It's a game changer for urban environments. Next, let's talk about floating wind farms. We're all familiar with wind turbines on land, but now they're taking to the seas. Floating wind farms, like Highwind Scotland, harness the power of stronger and more consistent offshore winds. These platforms are anchored to the seabed and can provide electricity to millions of homes, all without taking up valuable land space. It's a win-win for energy production and environmental preservation. Now, consider Perovskite solar cells. Traditional solar panels can be bulky and expensive, but Perovskite cells are thin, flexible, and incredibly efficient, even in low light. They're cheaper to produce, which opens the door to solar-powered windows, clothing, and gadgets. This technology has the potential to replace silicon-based panels entirely, making solar energy more accessible and versatile than ever before. Moving on to energy-generating roads. Imagine if the roads you drive on could produce power as cars pass over them. Smart highways equipped with piezoelectric materials do just that. They capture the vibrations and pressure from traffic to generate electricity. In France and the Netherlands, they're even testing solar road tiles that not only produce energy, but can also melt snow. This innovation could revolutionize how we think about infrastructure. Let's not forget about bioenergy from waste. We produce tons of waste every day, but what if we could turn that waste into energy? Advanced technologies are now converting organic waste into biogas, which can be used for heating, electricity, or even as vehicle fuel. This not only reduces landfill waste, but also provides a sustainable energy source. It's a perfect example of turning a problem into a solution. Next, we have hydrogen fuel cells. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, and when used in fuel cells, it produces electricity with water as the only byproduct. This clean energy source has the potential to power everything from cars to entire cities. As technology advances, we could see hydrogen becoming a mainstream energy solution, drastically reducing our carbon footprint. Lastly, let's explore energy storage innovations. As we shift towards renewable energy sources, the need for efficient energy storage becomes crucial. New battery technologies, like solid-state batteries, offer higher energy density and faster charging times compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. This means we can store renewable energy more effectively, making it available when we need it most. These 7 innovations are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the future of clean power. They represent a shift towards a more sustainable, efficient, and innovative energy landscape. The possibilities are endless, and the future is bright.
Imagine a world where we can produce energy while actively removing CO2 from the air. That's the promise of BECCS, or bioenergy with carbon capture and storage. This innovative technology burns biomass, think wood chips and agricultural waste, for energy. But here's the kicker. It captures the emissions and stores them underground. This means we're not just generating power, we're actually reversing decades of pollution. It's like hitting the reset button on our environment while keeping the lights on. Now, let's take a look at our oceans. They cover a staggering 70% of the Earth's surface. Why not harness their power? New devices like underwater turbines and buoy generators are doing just that. They convert the relentless energy of waves and tides into electricity. Unlike solar or wind, which can be unpredictable, these ocean technologies are reliable and can generate power 24/7. Imagine a world where our energy supply is as constant as the tides. And then there's hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. It's becoming a key player in the clean energy revolution. By using electrolysis powered by renewable energy sources, we can produce green hydrogen with zero emissions. This isn't just a theoretical concept. It's already being used in buses, planes, and factories. It's a game changer for heavy industries that have long relied on fossil fuels. These innovations are not just ideas. They're pathways to a cleaner, greener planet. But they need our support to thrive. Whether it's investing in new technologies or advocating for policies that promote clean energy, we all have a role to play. So, which of these breakthroughs blew your mind the most? The potential of BECCS, the power of our oceans, or the promise of green hydrogen? Each one is a step toward a sustainable future. Let's embrace these technologies and make a difference together. The future is electric, and it's already here.